Everybody has different versions of them. I think humans are very complex and they have different emotions. So when I rap, I express just that one emotion that is, bold, that has a lot of ego. But like this is the complete person. So,
That's the complete person.
Yeah.
So a few lines which are not in English.
Sure. This one's in Jaintia and in Khasi. I wrote
lovely.
this for, where I come from. It goes like, Bon ki brua ang bon ki brua klam bon ki brua bon do ktien nga wa ku cha prang nga wa ra brom ki ni ki vi wa bon do ktien ka teo you pen ki nga ma ai ka kan thai ko mi na nong kan dong but she's best dope den guys ngap.
Lovely. That's fantastic. We want to push it out there, and also this is a big hi to all our friends from the Northeast. What does it mean?
For me, it's always, I feel like representation should never be forced and done for the sake of getting attention. I think where we come from, it makes us who we are. And when I represent where I come from, I think it comes naturally. And I feel proud representing the Northeast, and I hope to also represent my country very soon.
Yes, you are. You're already doing a fantastic job for the country and for the Northeast, of course.
Okay, it goes like,
Wanna get down for the night, head demon. I just wanna feed, wanna breathe, with live it. Well, is it true that your love is a blessing? I just wanna feed, wanna love with a breathe it.
This is Durandar. I hope you guys recognize that. Right. Something else that you want to perform for us, because we're going to wind this up. So I'll come to the hood after Reba. Yeah.
Sure.
4 lines from whatever you've created, something that you want to share with us at Rising Bharat.
yeah, I can do my verse in khasi.
lovely.
Earlier I did it in, a different language, which is my language. So I can do it in khasi. It goes like, Snap ngantur shaprang, ngantre med, ngantre shitom, banyai hakalanti ka banga mon, snap bha, yaka ay ka banga ong.
Lovely. So the cadence is different, no? In terms of the beat and the way you would, when the language changes.
Yeah.
But you still have to show the same emotion. What were you saying now? This is in Khasi. Yeah.
So snap means listen. Ngantur shaprang means I'm going to move forward. Ngantre med, ngantre shtom means I'm going to work hard. I'll stay up all night. I'll do this. Banyai hakalinti ka bangamon, so I can walk along the path that I've chosen. So listen very closely to these words that I'm saying. It's more like a chant than a rap.